massage, I do my job. I do another work. But if you don't want to, I will tell another guy to go, and I take you to supermarket. Okay? Massage, no?
No. Wala doon, hindi man yung maganda doon.
Ayun pala. Sama lang ako.
Bili tayo kung ano, lakad-lakad lang tayo, tapos balik tayo ganun oras, pick up niyo tayo.
Hindi tayo pwede maglakad-lakad din.
Wag ka ma.